Hello everyone, this is Sari from Glamor Lighting company. Here we recommend this new design floodlight to you. Let me show you its specifications. High quality of brand LED chip. Thin light design, beautiful and more conducive to heat dissipations. It's easy to replace driver after sale. Independent research and development of driver with 85 to 600 improved voltage. Power factor is 0.9. IP65, more application scenarios. High brightness, high lumen is more advantage than another homogeneous products. If you have any interest, please let me know. Thanks.